Let's see how we can get a fraction of a whole number using multiplication. Leoa bought 12 eggs. She used 2/3 of them to bake a cake. How many eggs did she use? So this is 12 times 2/3. This is the same thing as saying 2/3 of 12. This is how we write it as an operation. It's 12 times 2/3. So here's what we can do. What you do when you multiply a whole number times a fraction is your whole number is over 1. This is the same thing as 12. 12 over 1 is the same as 12 times 2 over 3. Now, if you've ever multiplied fractions before, you know that in order to multiply fractions, you multiply the top two numbers together, 12 times 2, and you multiply the bottom two numbers together, 1 times 3. Okay, so this, as you can see, this 1 times 3, this is just going to give us 3. So this 1 is kind of irrelevant. So what we can see by doing this layout is that this is the same thing as just putting the 12 times the top number over the bottom number. So let's try that. 12 times the top number 2 over the bottom number 3. 12 times 2 over 1 times 3 is the same as 12 times 2 over 3. Okay, so what does that equal? Let's solve that. 12 times 2 is 24 over 3. What's 24 over 3? What's 24 divided by 3? How many 3's can you fit into 24? 8. So this is 8 whole eggs.